I am Deepika, a proud student at Aditya University. I am so glad to share that I recently got an internship at one of the top most MNCs, Walmart. First and foremost, I would like to thank Aditya University and a special thanks to department who have helped me and shaped my academic journey. They have played a vital role in launching my professional career. Industry-aligned curriculum and constant mentorship prepared me thoroughly for real-world challenges. I would like to add on one more thing. As I'm a hostler, I always got an opportunity of accessing the library overnight and got used to the world-class infrastructure at the Aditya. I strongly recommend anyone to be a part of Aditya in shaping their career to a professional journey. Thanks to the dedicated support from our Pro-Chancellor, Mr. Satish Reddy, and from my parents. Thank you once again.